Hey guys, what's up? I'm your friend back with a new video. In this video, we are gonna see how to practice MySQL using an online editor. This video will contain some basics of SQL online editor, and we are going to launch furthermore video series on MySQL. So for this, please like our video, share our video, and subscribe to my channel. And most important, don't forget to click the bell icon to get the further notification on my SQL video series. SQL. So basically what is SQL? SQL is structured query language. Before doing SQL, you should know what is database, because what we are going to do in SQL is that we are manipulating database. So what is database? Database is collection of data in organized and structural form. Organized and structural form means in the table format. Why in a table? This is because you can easily store the data in table and easily retrieve the data from the table. For this, you can take a simple example of Excel and Word. If you want to create a student database, in the Excel, you will create a column of name, roll number and class. And if you put some entries in name, for example, Ashish, Akash and Avinash. If you are doing same in Word, you have to specify the name. For example, name Akash, name Ashish, and again you have to repeat name Avinash. This is because in the Excel you have created a row name and you are putting the entries under that row. But in Word, you have to specify what is Akash, what is Avinash. So saving the data in the table format is easy. And if you want to retrieve the data, if you want to take the data from the table, it's easy as compared to the Word, because choosing a word from a table is bit easy than choosing a word from 4 to 5 lines. SQL is basically used for manipulating and accessing the databases. It is used for creating the table, updating the table, deleting the table, and many more such things inside the databases. It is a type of backend programming language. So what is backend? Backend is a part of computer application that does not interact with the user. For example, if you are filling the online form, it asks for your name, address, date of birth, and many more such details. So what happened with that details? Where does that data go? And that is the backend process that is done using many software like SQL, Oracle, and many more. That data is stored in the databases in the organized structural form, means in the form of table. So in this video, we are gonna see some basic commands which is related to the databases. So let's begin with our video. Select any of the browser that is available on your laptop or your mobile. I'm using Firefox. Search for rextester.com. Texter.com. Now select the language. We want to select MySQL language. Here you can see here are the multiple languages, so you can practice C, C++, Oracle, Java, JavaScript, and many more. Search for MySQL and select it. Here is the layout available. By default it's vertical and it has one more option that is horizontal. Select for horizontal, whatever you want. Here are some instructions given by the website, that is #MySQL 5.7.12. It is the version of MySQL. Please drop the objects you have created at the end of scripts, means you have to delete your table what you have created, or check the resistance before creating. / is a delimiter, so if you want then you can keep, otherwise you can erase it. Now we are going to search for the databases that is available by this website. Note, as it is an online editor, it will not allow you to create your own databases. In SQL app or SQL software, you can create your own databases. So search for the databases. We use the command show databases. Show databases. F8 is a shortcut key for running the program. Let's run it. The two databases available is information schema and rextester. I'll go for rextester. For selecting and databases, you use the command use rextester semicolon. Yes, I have selected the databases. Now I can create table. So guys, if you have any queries related to this video, then please place it on comment section. In the next video or the tutorial, we are gonna see how to create table using this online editor. Thank you.